Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Happy morning. What today is it? Today's Thursday, and I said let me do a day in the life with me going into office. Today is a day I'm going into office. I usually work from home, so but today is an office day because I wanted to get some things printed, some things signed by my boss before she goes off on vacation, before I go off on vacation. And I need to talk to my intern as well, and just do some things I need to get done in office. Also, I need to get some just things handled, personal things as well. Still not 100%. I'm very congested, so I have my medication and I have my mask. My mask matches my shirt. But we bought these box of neutral masks back when the pandemic was really still like a rampant thing, and I love them because they go with like our vibes. But anyway, I'm running into office. First I need to stop and get some Starbucks because I need sustenance. Apparently at the building they're having an issue getting into the actual departments. I think there's a door issue, I don't know, but hopefully by the time I reach it's sorted. If not, we just have to figure out a place to sit down and work. But I'm sure it'll get sorted. I'm sure it's not that big of a deal. I just saw it in the work group chat. When I get into office I'll put on my mask because I'm in the car by myself. It's really just a preventative thing. I don't have COVID, I don't have anything like that, but I just the air down there is not the best. I have had sinus issues from the air before. It's just a workspace, just a communal space. I want to kind of make sure that I protect myself. If I have any residual germs, I protect others as well. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day. Spend your day with me. So yeah, let's catch up a little bit, shall we? It's the week before Christmas. We did a lot of shopping last night. Well, not a lot of shopping, but some last minute stuff that we needed to get because we are hosting Christmas dinner at our home. We weren't going to do anything because the usual plan is to go to the family home. Well, we were saying like, oh, we go down and be with family, but we weren't gonna cook anything. We're just gonna have like a chill Christmas. And I did say it to mommy, and mommy was like, oh, cook and da-da-da. And then we're saying, okay, we're gonna just have a chill Christmas to ourselves and just have Christmas day to ourselves, just me and him in the home. Or we were gonna make up the we're gonna fix up the place and just do Christmas tree and do full-on decorations, everything. But then we had the plan to travel, so we would have had to either start decorating early or just not do it at all. And we're like, no, but I'll decorate. So we haven't decorated at all for Christmas, which is yeah, I don't know how I feel about it, but then I really haven't had time to dedicate to that. We've just had so much work to do, so many last minute things. Christmas time is really a wrap up time, and we do have a lot of wrapping up to do. Like the wrapping up for work is like crazy. Now we end up hosting full-on Christmas dinner, and the list is getting bigger and bigger because I think at this point we have like about 17 people coming, which at first we weren't even thinking about being that big. But thankfully we did already pre-season up some chicken, and mommy is gonna make rice and peas, 2 different types of rice she said, and she's gonna make some extra chicken, and she's gonna make raw veg and stuff. And then my sisters are gonna, well, one is gonna carry drinks and utensils and stuff, and the other is gonna carry dessert. So it really is becoming like I wouldn't say a potluck because it's really mommy and me cooking, but it's becoming a bigger thing. So we say, you know, we'll just set up everything, just have a proper Christmas dinner, and it's gonna be a memory because it's our first Christmas in our new home. The Christmas vlog is probably gonna come out before this, so you will hear me talking about all the Christmas stuff, and you'd have already seen all of the stuff up one for Christmas. So yeah, that may happen. Oh, last night we did our shopping, so we had to get a few little extra bits and bobs. I wanted to get a gift for daddy because I didn't buy his gift. Was the last gift I hadn't got. So right now the only thing left to be delivered is my nephew's 1-year-old birthday gift. He's turning 1 in January, but I already bought it and have it, so I think I'm gonna wrap it and tell them to give it to him when he's, well, they can open it when they want to, but I just want to make sure saying getting gift from your auntie. Oh Lord.
Adios,
I got my usual drink, guys. Oh, just came in. Need to borrow a pen for the day. Is there a pen in here? The document you said? Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm in office now. Yeah, so my day right now is gonna compile or consist of me getting some emails done. I have a couple projects that I need to kind of finalize. Comment below if you think this short hair suits me. I don't know. I feel like once I slick it back, my face feels a little bit brighter. So comment below if you think the short hair is fine. Even though I'm gonna be braiding my hair on Saturday. But anyway, why am I not connected to the internet? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm vlogging today. So if you don't want to be on it, it's totally fine. You can keep yourself here if you want.
I know Tany's the one at the top hasn't gone out yet.
Yeah.
Back cap.
Oh, you still in because I was wondering why it looks so, you know, it's darker. The double close up. It'll be closed today. Functions team. Apologize for any family apologize.
Stuff that I heard it. Basically stuff that I heard. Oh, that was already planned. Right? So I think
so got some food. You got change?
yeah.
What's change, so? Oh, enough money, man. Enough money come back. Thank you. Alright, so I bought breakfast for myself and my intern. So I got some stewed chicken. Let me show you. That looks good, right? Stewed chicken and a whole heap of bananas, which I'm totally fine with. And yeah, and then I'm gonna take some medication. So I'm trying to eat now. I'm gonna eat and work, but just showing you my breakfast. Where the fork there, lad? I'm gonna put the fork. Traffic is crazy right now, but yeah, Kingston life. So it's so dark. Why is it so dark? I'm back home now. I just took a very good shower and scrubbed my body because right now I'm about to eat some food and just relax for the rest of the night. I think I have a couple other emails to do to send off. The place is a mess and I have no energy or intention of cleaning up right now. I think this is gonna be sometimes that's how it is, you know. That's how it is. Hakeem was at home today, but I know my poor darling never have no time to do nothing because he would have washed the plates or everything, and he actually just headed off. Well, not just, but when I came home, he just jumped in the car and headed off to Manchester. So it really has been a long day for both of us. I believe because I come home and the place is crazy, but I know it was a long day for him. So yeah, I'm happy to be home, and I hope Hakeem is safe on the road as well. But yeah, I'm happy to be home, and I think, yeah, I'm just gonna eat the food. Let me show you what I got. So this is some jerk chicken picked up from Island Grill. Island Grill has become kind of like an old faithful for us right now. So I think I'm gonna actually cut up that chicken. Hey guys, stop it. Luna, you're a little active one. But yeah, if you like this video, spending the day with me while I go into office, a little bit of a change because you barely see me go into office. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. It is such a help to my channel, so because I'm trying to grow. So yeah, the subscribe button is right down there. Hit subscribe, tell a friend. If you like chill everyday vlogs, a little bit of lifestyle travel, me just up and down, that type of vibe. Yeah, until next time guys, I will see you in the next vlog. Not me holding the fork. I'll see you in the next vlog, and yeah, peace out, bye.